fish, tucker, fish,
Bit of the white sauce.
fish, tucker,
Right.
man.
Absolutely to die
Fish,
for.
tucker, fish, tucker, fish,
Okay.
tucker.
Now we're on. Now we're on. Woo! Let's get him. Alrighty. You beauty.
It is a cold night and I love a fish chowder, and that's what we're cooking tonight. I'll just quickly show the recipes. I'm not going to chop them up in front of you because I think you know how to chop up veggies. I've got some mushrooms, 1 onion, potato, corn, salmon. Most importantly, there's a frozen fillet, but I got this for the other day, and some cream. Also, we need some white flour. Got a pan, bit of olive oil. So I'm just going to chuck in me onions. In fact, I'll chuck most of it all in. Onions, potato. And your beautiful mushrooms. Give it a nice bit of a stir. Let it saute for probably 5 minutes until it gets all nice and soft. Right, a bit of wine, white wine. Give some moisture in it. Make sure we stir it up a bit. You don't want it to burn already. Right, so I put in some plain flour, not too much. Just probably a spoonful. Just chuck it in. Stir it. Right. So you just saw me, I'm getting some parsley, mint from the garden, a bit of basil, herbs, a bit of fresh. Chuck it in. Now it is getting cooking a bit too fast, so I need to put in probably about a cup of water. There's your water. Let it boil away until those potatoes and all the veggies become nice and soft and mashy. That's the trick. Oh, don't forget your corn. Okay, nothing better than waiting around for it to cook. A glass of wine near the fire. Lovely. It looks good. Right, so now it's time to put some glass of milk. We want it nice and white. This chowder's meant to be white. Some salt. And a bit of ground pepper. Extra for seasoning. Let that simmer away again. There you go. It's becoming nice and white. Later on we'll put in the fish and the cream and we'll have a nice tucker. Now it's time to add in a bit of cream. I'm really not too sure how much meant to be put in. Probably half of one of these. More. Give it a nice stir and it should come up nice and thick. So now it's time for the hero of the show, salmon. I'm going to chuck it all in. Big pieces. Stir it up. And I reckon probably another 10 minutes. That will be just absolutely spot on. I did forget the old humble chili. There you go. Chuck it in. Look at that. That's really coming up nice. Look at that, nice and chunky. Beautiful. Alright, so now it's time to serve it up. It's definitely done. Cook it for about good 10-15 minutes. Get all the chunky bits first. Bit of the white sauce. Look at that. Absolutely to die for. I've cooked way too much. Okay, now for the taste test. Well, the fire's warm. I'll pick up a piece of the salmon. Really, really nice. It's Australian salmon, mind you. On my shows, I only do catch and cooks. Catch and cooks on the fish I catch. So you can add a lot of the other seafood, but I'm just demonstrating that whatever I catch, I'll cook up, eat it up and enjoy it. Lovely. Beautiful. Anyway, before I burn myself to death here, we'll see you next time. Salud. Ooh, that's hot. Spot on.